App crashing when calling the Python35 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm providing the guided solution to fix this logic error now. While we explored the technical guide for Python35 library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Python35 library, the core execution library for Python 3.5. It manages the localized runtime environment, including bytecode interpretation and memory allocation for AI and data toolsets. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The best way to fix this is to reinstall the official python.org. Head to the Microsoft website, download both the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C++ redistributables, and run the installers to replace the missing file. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Python35 library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Installing an unverified version of Python35 library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Python35 library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Python35 library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.